Good morning and welcome to our laboratory. And today our group from Konkan, Thailand, a humble group with humble beginnings. And today we are going to present about the nature of the hiccup. But first, let's introduce the members.
Hello, my name is Paul.
Hello, my name is Friend.
Hello, my name is Earth.
Hello, my name is B.
And from this group, we have a slogan that we say to ourselves every day when we do this project. What do we say, guys?
We love hiccups.
We love hiccups. So please enjoy the 6-minute video presentation of a small group of middle schoolers in Thailand. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Assuming it's the morning. Why are you laughing? But today our group is going to present about why do we hiccup. The probably not the most common question in the scientific world, but yeah, whatever. We're gonna introduce the members. Who are you?
I am B.
Hello, I'm Boris. Who are you?
I'm Paul.
Hello, I'm Friend.
Hello, I'm Earth.
The first question that we are going to discuss in this first project is, how do we hiccup? The hiccup is caused when a stimuli irritates the diaphragm here, which causes inhalation. But during this process of inhalation, in contrast from normal inhalation, the vocal cord shut, producing the iconic sound. Yes, that's why it's called the hiccup. One cause for the hiccup is eating spicy food. For scientific purpose, we will try the Korean fire noodle challenge to prove that it will hiccup or not. Everybody, dig in. Give me a fork.
Fuck.
Hey, always look on the bright side of life. Come on! Always.
If we probably prolong the experiment, it will probably cause excessive hiccups. And sometimes irritation to the diaphragm is also caused by excessive drinking. I will chug this water bottle. It is presumed from this experiment, it is concluded that probably a quarter of a liter drank doesn't cause hiccups, causing a sudden feeling to vomit.
We all have personal way to stop hiccup. 1. Make the one who hiccups scared. And you got it.
So are you hiccuping? Oh.
Yeah.
Stop hiccuping. Stop it! Are you fine now? Oh, nice.
To drink a little of water. But I need to do.
I don't want to do this.
Oh, really? Oh, you must want to do it now, huh?
Oh, okay. I don't have any hiccup anymore.
3. Eat 1 sugar cube. And this is about 1 sugar cube. And now, I don't have any hiccup. Sorry.
If there's any of women applauding, I shall clear the court.
4. Hold your breath and drink a lot of water. For this time, I'm gonna hold my breath and drink water.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
A stimuli irritates the diaphragm, which causes
Death, 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 death.
which causes inhalation. The vocal cord shut, producing the iconic sound. One cause for the hiccup is eating spicy food. And sometimes irritation to the diaphragm is also caused by excessive drinking.
The one who hiccups scared.
2. Drink a little of water.
3. Eat 1 sugar cube.
4. Hold your breath and drink a lot of water.
And for a goodbye gift from this video, please shoot the camera.